What's up guys? Today I'll be showing you how to take selfies with the S Pen of your Galaxy S22 Ultra. So the default setting for all Galaxy S22 Ultras is if you long press the button on the S Pen, this button right here, if you long press on it for about 2 seconds, it's gonna launch the camera. There's a camera, and now with the camera launched, simply press it twice and that will open the selfie camera. So now with the selfie camera open, you can now just press it once and it's gonna take selfies. It's as simple as that, but this only works if you have the correct settings for S Pen. Now this normally works by default, and if for some reason it does not work, go ahead and check on your S Pen settings. So go to settings and then scroll down to advanced features, and then under advanced features tap on S Pen, and then at the top there tap on air actions, and this basically opens the air actions for your S Pen. Now here where it says choose what happens when you press and hold the pen button and do the following actions, and under that hold down the pen button too, and as you can see for me my default is camera. Now if it's not on camera, that's probably why it's not opening the camera and it's doing something else. So tap on that and then make sure you select camera, and with the camera selected it's going to be indicated down there, and that basically means if you press and hold the S Pen button it should launch the camera. Simple as that. Double press switches to the other camera, and that's basically how to take selfies with your Galaxy S22 Ultra. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.